In this guide, we are going over how you can scan QR codes here in Clash Royale to get a ton of free rewards like emotes, chests, whatever it might be. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. QR codes are, sometimes shared through different promotions, social media posts, or gaming websites, and scanning them here in Clash Royale can give you a bunch of different rewards inside the games. But first things first, go ahead and make sure that you have like Clash Royale running in the background like I have right now. And then what you're going to want to do is just swipe out of it just like so and get on your home screen. Once you're on your home screen, you need to open up your device's like camera app, for example. So I'm just going to do that. But this is mainly just because Clash Royale does not have a built-in QR code scanner, so you have to use your device's camera. But essentially, go ahead and just open up your device's camera and find that QR code that you want to scan. For example, this one right here. You'll see a little pop-up to select Clash Royale. Select that, and it's going to redirect you into Clash Royale again, where you'll be prompted to hit claim reward. And if the reward is still active, you'll be able to claim it right away. Like this one is active. This is going to give you a little musketeer banner item, just like so. Yeah, for example, some codes can give you free emotes, like in our last video, it was a free emote. Some will give you lucky chests or other in-game items. Just keep in mind, they do expire. So if they don't work, they may no longer be active. And you can usually find a bunch of codes by just searching for Clash Royale QR codes online, where different websites track active ones. But that is it. That is how you can scan QR codes and claim rewards here in Clash Royale. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.